How to fix Google Play Store keeps crashing on Android phone. So if you want to fix the Google Play Store keeps crashing on your Android phone, then here are some ways. So the first one is you need to check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will fix the crashing problem. So check the internet connection. Once you've checked the internet connection, now the second step is you need to open up your settings, and you need to scroll down, tap on apps, and under apps you need to go for see all apps, and you need to choose Google Play Store. And once you choose Google Play Store, you need to go for the storage and cache and go for clear cache. And once you've cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is, if you're opening the Play Store, or if you have Play Store open on your device, then you just need to simply remove that from your background, or you can remove all of the tabs that you have on your background, and then again reopen your Play Store, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can restart your device. So simply press and hold on to your power button, and here you will have restart option. Simply tap on restart, and you need to restart your device, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can uninstall your Play Store. So simply uninstall the Play Store, or you can force stop it, and you can again install it, and after reinstalling, your problem might be fixed. Or the last fix is updating your Play Store. So what you need to do to update your Google Play Store is you need to open up a browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and then you need to search for Google Play Services. And here you will have Google Play Services. Tap on that, and under your Google Play Services, here you might have an option of update if you have not updated. So you need to simply tap on update instead of that uninstall option. You will have an update, so update your application and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Google Play Store keeps crashing on Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.